the situation in Eastern Europe, what happens in the Balkans, defines whether Europe is suffering from war. That's why Ukraine's resistance to Russian invasion is a condition for your stability. If Russia had succeeded in subjugating our country and threatening all of Eastern Europe, there's no doubt that the next regime Moscow would use to destabilize Europe would be the Baltics or Balkans. The first point of the plan focuses on whether the deficit of geopolitical certainty in Europe will be resolved. Does Ukraine have a place in NATO? If yes, and this is properly confirmed, Putin will lose geopolitically.